Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the annual Rains skit. Watch as we follow our young protagonist, the young grad student Akshay, just arrived in the paradise of Stanford, as he wanders in search of his new home. Will he make it? Let's find out. First, he meanders mindlessly into Munger, the luxurious land of the litigious and lecherous law students.
Bunch of rich kids.
Next, our addle-minded protagonist somehow finds himself in Lyman, miles away from everything. How the hell did he get there? He writes his course and heads south, but deviates into EV, the suburbia of Stanford, surrounded by families with small children. Cute, but deadly. For fun. And they've arrived at Ray's Grill.
Hey guys, it's so nice to meet you. My name's Javier and I just got to campus. I'm super excited. You guys must love being at Stanford.
Oh yes, it's so exciting to be here.
Are you kidding me? We do work all the time, and I'm never, ever gonna get out of here.
Like the all ends with beginnings. What keeps the research going is coffee in the morning.
We've come too far to give up this paper, so let's submit now, and we'll go to the bar. We're up all night to the sun, we're up all night to get some, we're up all night to get done,
We're up all night to get funded.
we're up all night to the sun,
I'm up all night to get some.
we're up all night to get done,
We're up all night to get funded.
So yeah, have lots of fun.
Guys, I have to go back to lab. Coffee?
Yeah.
Ding dong.
Hello! Who are you?
We're the CAs!
What's a CA?
I've got this one, guys. In Rains, you're new here. There's lots to do here. Believe when I say, 'cause I am your CA.
But a CA, what is that?
Well, we throw events to help build communities and make your time in grad school as pleasant as possible, etc.
Tell me more.
Tell you what, on Thursdays we have T&T. Tell you what, on Sundays we have snacks for free. Tell you what, I never wanna hear you say, I'm feeling bored today.
What's TNT? Is that like dynamite?
No, it's Thursday night thing.
Basically, every Thursday here in Willis at 9, we've got beer and snacks for you to enjoy with your neighbors. And SOS isn't a cry for help, it's Snacks on Sunday in the Buttery, where you can have snacks and ENABs, equally attractive non-alcoholic beverages.
So you just throw happy hours and parties all the time?
Well, no, we have a lot of other cool things, too.
We have outdoor events like Hike with Rains, Swim with Rains, Run with Rains.
We have intellectual events like lectures and book club.
We have cultural events like cooking, eating, wine tasting, and game night.
And we do fun off-campus events like surfing, movies, and go-karting.
And while we can't unlock your door for you if you accidentally forget your key, we are here if you have any questions or concerns or just want to talk.
This is so exciting!
Young Simba, all this to be yours. On the day you arrive on this campus and blinking step to the main quad, there's more to be seen than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done.
There's far too much to take in here. More to do than can ever be done. There's more to find than can ever be found. What? Than can ever be done. With this. All right, thank you very much, and welcome to Rains. For everyone who's been here for a while, welcome back. I'd like to just briefly introduce the different neighborhoods here in Rains. So the way we plan events is both Rains-wide, so those emails you get twice a week, as well as by neighborhood. And they all have little names, so we'll tell you what those are in case you're not familiar. But first, for Rains-wide stuff, my name is Mahalia. I live in the Frontier, which is the far neighbor at the end, and I do Rains-wide stuff. And I'm together here with Lauren, and we're your head CAs, so basically when you get very stuck, come talk to us. And then now for the Frontier, you guys give your names in the neighborhood.
Yeah. Building numbers? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Kelsey. I'm in the Frontier with Carla, who's not here, and Zach, who will introduce himself. Our building number? Or
What is Frontier?
Frontier is buildings 230 to 238. Yeah. I think Frontier is 230 to 238. They're the front courtyard.
Hi guys, I'm Zach. I'm the webmaster of Rains, so I'm kind of actually Rains-wide too. My apartment is building 238. My bike lock is 123456. And you can email me for any other personal information you need.
Hi everyone. So there's just two of us right here right now, but we also have Julie. She's not here, but...
So I'm Beth.
And I'm Vladimir. And Hildegard is numbers 227 to 229.
Thank you. And it's the best.
Hey, we represent Midtown, buildings 220 to 226. My name's Joe.
And I'm Blair.
And then next we have Beach House. My name is John. Sayuri is the other CA for the neighborhood, but she unfortunately couldn't make it. And we're buildings 217 and 2.